Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your Amazon app is not loading and the crashing in your iPhone, maybe iPad. If you have a latest iPhone, if you have an old iPhone, they're crashing all in iPhone. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the settings. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to the general section and just going to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just going to the iPhone storages, just tap on that and just scroll it down and just find the Amazon app. Just scroll it down slowly to find the Amazon. Just see the option of Amazon, just tap on that, and you see the option of offload app, just tap on that and going to upload the app and again reinstall the app from that section. After doing all the steps, you're just going back and just going back and just scroll it down and just find app transfer or reset iPhone, just tap on that and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. After doing all the steps, make sure your problem gonna solve. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.